Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. When going off-roading, you can never have too much visibility, but you need a way to control those lights. So today we're going to be installing a Rugged Ridge A-Pillar switch pod in our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. This Rugged Ridge A-Pillar switch pod is a direct fit replacement for the factory A-Pillar and includes 4 21 amp switches to control your auxiliary lighting. The switches come in 4 different illuminated colors, and the A-Pillars come in 2 different colors, black and gray, to match your interior, and today we're going to install it in our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. For this installation, you'll need a very sharp knife or a Dremel, a T20 Torx bit, and a Phillips screwdriver. Before you install the A-Pillar switch pod, figure out how many switches you want to install, then cut out a hole for each switch. In our case, we're going to do all 4. You can use a hobby knife or a Dremel to do this. Once you get all the holes cut, you can insert the switches, and using a Dremel will really make this easier. Now, we won't be doing any wiring with this because we don't have anything to hook it up to, but once you do the wiring, this is what the switches will look like when you illuminate them. Once inside the vehicle, we'll remove the 2 T20 Torx bits holding on the sun visor. Remove this Phillips head clip. Then you can pop this panel off. Unplug this connector. Then just pull out the A-Pillar. If you were going to do any wiring, I would suggest doing it before you install the A-Pillar, but we're not going to be doing any wiring, so we can just install it now. Connect the connector and reinstall the corner piece. Finally, reinstall the sun visor. And your installation is finished. Our Rugged Ridge A-Pillar switch pod is installed. It's going to make wiring up lighting a lot easier in the future. Installation is going to take about an hour, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.